Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these flowers made out of construction paper. So we're going to need construction paper, any color that you want to use, scissors, glue, a pencil, and a toothpick, which is optional. And off camera I already cut my pieces that we need, which are a circle and a rectangle. The circle is going to be the flower. So we're going to trace an outline. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little twirl. And then you cut it. Then I used the glue. I improvised. The only glue I had at home was a glue stick. So to make it easier, instead of having the flower fall out of the spiral while you're twirling it, I just glued the entire thing first. Then we get the end. This is where you can use a toothpick. A toothpick makes it easier. And you just start to twirl flower. Oops. And you can take it out once you have the twirl going on. And just keep at it, keep twirling or twisting. And if you need more glue, you can add more glue as you go. So then here we get a little shape of our flower. And now we're gonna get the rectangle for our stem. I'm gonna use the toothpick again, just to twirl the ends, twist the end. And get the motion going, and then you keep going. You can glue the end right here so that it sticks and seals together. And then what I did was cut the end, just 2 little cuts, and glue both sides just so that it can attach to the flower a lot easier. And then we get our flower and attach it. There we go. And that's it.